we have to organize. That's the first step. We have to have, how many times do I have? Okay. We have to look at our human resources. We have to find the leader or the staff. We have to come together and assign a person to those children and to come up with programs for those children. You got to get a calendar, folks. You've got to plan in advance. You can't come up with June and say, oh, let's come up with a summer program. Parents have already signed up their kids back in April and May for summer programs because the deadline for mainstream programs is April and May. So we have to have a calendar and say realistically, when are we going to plan things out? And from there, you have to come up with your budget. You have to set money aside for this. Since you know what your programs are going to be for that year, you can allocate the funds to it. Everything maintains a nice professional level. And then you do what has to be done. You brainstorm, you plan, you execute, and then the most important step, you evaluate. Should we keep this for next year? If yes, what are we going to improve on? What are we going to keep? If no, drop it, move on to something else, or tweak the idea as necessary.